Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to teach you the HTML within minutes. So let's get started. It will be a short minimal video which will be a summary of the important HTML tags and how you can learn the whole HTML within few minutes. So let's get started. Okay, so I will be creating an index.html file basically. Okay, so we have to create this file with the name of index.html because when we made our website live, the index file is the one which is shown by default. So we're gonna name it as index.html. Now, first of all, what we have to do is we have to generate a boilerplate template code. Now, if you're a beginner, you must be confused by that, but it's not something to be confused about. So let me tell you first clearly that HTML is all about tags. We deal with the tags and everything is made up of tags. HTML is a structure of a web page. So I guess we should start now. Okay, so you have to write exclamation mark here and the emit abbreviation will provide you the whole abbreviated code, and this is the code which we have get now. Okay, so let me explain you this first. This is the first line is telling us the document type, like what is the document type. Each file has a type, like we have several documents, like we have Excel sheets. Document files are with doc, the word files, and the Excel sheets are xls, and the HTML file is with .html. For CSS it is .css, like that. Okay, so the first line is indicating that what is the document type. Further on, we have HTML tag, and in HTML tag, there are further some tags. Now, just focus on these three lines for now. Okay, so this is the HTML opening tag, and this is the HTML closing tag. The lang inside the opening tag is the attribute who is telling that okay, the language of this document type is English. So EN is abbreviated for English. So this is the opening tag, this is the closing tag. Now we have a head tag and a body tag. Every HTML page has a head tag and a body tag. The body tag contains all the stuff which we have to actually show at the web page, which is actually a part of the web page. But the head tag contains the information about the web page and different style sheets and all linking files in that head. Like uh, here are the meta tags, and the meta tags are all about metadata. Metadata is data about data. Metadata is data about data. Like it contains information about this file. Okay, so it's like that. So it is this meta tag is telling us that the file has the character set of UTF-8, and this meta tag is telling us about the viewport and the content. Like the this meta tag is telling us that the viewport is width is device width and initial scale is 1. So it is telling us the basic values. And the title is telling us that this is the title of the HTML page, and obviously we can edit that. So I'm gonna write here that learn HTML in minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna make it live. Go live for now. So this is how it is looking like. This is our we can see title, and this is a blank HTML page, and the index file, this is the index file which is open right here. So let's get back to the code and check us and learn several tags. Okay, so we are back in the Visual Studio Code, and I'll be telling you about several important tags of the HTML first. So first of all, we have the header tag, we have main tag, we have footer tag, we have aside, we have article, and I'll be explaining you all that one by one. And we have article. Also, we have four headings. These are the heading tags, and the heading tags are from H1 to H6, we can say. So they are like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. They are like this, okay? So I'm gonna write here heading 1, okay, and here heading 2, you're gonna clearly see the difference, and heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6, just like this, okay? And what are these tags? So these are basically semantic tags. Now, what are semantic tags? Semantic tags. Okay. So what are the semantic tags? Semantic tags means meaningful tags, like the one which depict a meaning. The tags will actually contain a meaning. Like header tag clearly shows that okay, this is the it will contain something which is the header of that HTML file basically, and it will contain the main content. It will contain the footer of the page. A side will have some we can say some side stuff, and article will contain each separate article. So it's like that. Also, we have some other tags like paragraph tag. Okay, so this is a paragraph tag. I have added some lot of some text to it. This is a paragraph tag, and there's a div. Now what does div do? Div means div is basically a container. It's like a container tag, like a container. Okay, so it encloses data inside it. Like I can say that this div contains a paragraph. Like it contains first of all h2 like about me, and this is the stuff about it, and it will contain a button. We can say we have button tag as well, and I'll say contact me. Okay, just like this. So it's like a container. It encloses different things inside it. Also, we have okay. So I guess this is enough, and we should see the output of it first, and then we will move forward. Okay, so this is how it is looking like. The H1 heading is the largest heading, and it is bold, more, and the font size H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. This is the paragraph tag. This is the H2. This is the container. Like the div is not like something which is shown over here, like, but it's a container, and it has enclosed about me and all this information inside it like that. So it has all this is inside a div, so it's like that. Okay, so after it we have some or some other tags as well, like we can say a list. And here I've created another div, and it says h2 with my hobbies, like the heading 2, and it has the ul. Now what does the ul mean? Ul means unordered list. Okay, and li says list item. And here we go, list item 1 is reading, coding, and traveling. So it's like that. Okay, we can let me show you the output of this. This is how it shows, like the my hobbies, and here the bullet points. And you'll remember that I have said unordered list. It because it shows bullets. It does not show numbers over here for we can say as bullet points. That's why it's called unordered list. But what if I use ordered list? Then here we will have the numbers. Let me show you how we can do that. Okay, so for ordered list, we will have to change it from UL to OL. Like now, I can say it's ordered list. And let me show you that what are the changes over the web page, which will be shown now. You can see here that the by doing it ordered list, Here we have a numbers bullet 1, 2, and 3. So it's like that. All these are the basic, we can say these all are the basic tags of HTML that one should know to start the HTML. HTML has other tags as well, like HTML has a proper concept of the tables and the forms as well. I have made a video over it before as well. If you want a video on tables in HTML or forms in HTML, you can do comment me below the video, and I'll definitely make a video on it. But here, the things which I have told you for so far now, they are really important to, we can say, start the HTML as a beginner. I hope it will be helpful for you guys, and keep learning. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.